The report on the problems and consequences of global climate change on Earth. This is the ultimate reality of today.
Tonight on We're All Going to Die.
We can only state the fact that the events described in the report are becoming the reality within the specified time frame.
Man-made climate volcanoes.
In fact, humankind has even less than 50 years. Seismic activity. Seismic activity is increasing around the world. The geography of earthquakes is expanding.
Expanding.
Their frequency and magnitude increase significantly. The unpredictability of earthquakes causes tremendous damage to the population of the affected regions.
Muslims most affected.
Under extreme conditions, not the event itself is so terrible, but rather the animal-like behavior of people with a consumer worldview.
Seismic retail gluttony.
What can we, people, do today in order not to become victims of egoistic thinking tomorrow?
Move to another planet.
New tectonic continental faults are forming on the planet. Cracks and faults.
CO2 cracks the Earth.
A sudden appearance of giant cracks and gaps is being observed all over the world. A serious deformation of the Earth is happening.
Say no to crack.
Tornadoes. The merciless force of nature strikes settlements, destroying everything in its path.
Nature hates your guts.
Tornadoes are getting stronger, and today they can already be observed in regions that are not typical for them.
Kitchen tornadoes.
Volcanic activity. Pyroclastic clouds. Mud flows. They pose a threat to nearby settlements, forcing people to leave their homes and depriving them of their livelihood. Misfortune never comes alone. Volcanic eruptions are accompanied by high seismic activity. They provoke formation of landslides and cracks, as well as development of tsunamis.
It must be Trump.
They lead to crop failure, hunger and disease, as well as accelerate global climate change on the planet.
Stop climate changing.
Fires, abnormal heat, destructive giant wildfires, abnormal heat, hurricane wind, fires burning down entire cities.
Satan.
The fiery force of nature against which people found themselves helpless, despite all their technical advancements of modern civilization.
Jeez.
Disasters are on the rise, and we are unable to withstand them. This cannot be avoided.
Endless pessimism.
In the face of a global disaster, the entire civilization, with its vaunted technical progress, is nothing but a big soap bubble, helpless before nature. Snowfall, large hail, abnormal frosts. Snowfalls even in the deserts. Africa, Europe, America. There are sharp temperature fluctuations on the planet. Record frosts and snowfalls paralyze the life of entire regions. Hail, destroyed crops, damaged power lines, buildings and cars. Earth's magnetic field. Anomalously rapid shift in the North Magnetic Pole relative to the South Pole of the Earth. These significant changes cause serious problems not only in the failure of navigation equipment, but of other electronics as well. What extreme consequences can this lead to in the near future?
Melting of glaciers. Glaciers are rapidly melting at the poles. A sharp increase in temperatures has led to prominent reduction in the size of sea ice extents. This results in the rise of the global sea level and changes in the ecosystems. Climate is changing, and tomorrow your normal life will change beyond recognition. Are you ready for this? Hurricanes. Powerful hurricanes of destructive force are striking our planet more often now. The force of nature brings huge masses of seawater onto the land, causing sudden heavy floods, storm surges, mud flows, and landslides. Natural disasters overlap one another, causing record damage to people. These affect all aspects of people's lives,